Weld school is 1 week long, and then you're right on the floor working, and you're working on trailers and stuff that's going out on the road. I came in knowing nothing, so there was a lot of support, and they made me feel comfortable and eager to learn.
Weld school is 1 week, completely paid for. All the PPE, all the material, everything's completely paid for, okay? It's not just burning wire, but we also instruct how to read blueprints, plasma instruction, torch instruction, machine troubleshooting. Providing you pass Weld school, you will take a respirator fitness test, and then after that, then you're placed. So from start to finish, I'd say the most 3 weeks.
The Weld school initially helped me be more confident because it wasn't just classroom learning about welding, it's more hands-on oriented, learning techniques that work for you because everybody does things differently.
If you want to be part of something greater, Wabash Weld School is the great place to start. If you want to learn something new and get your skills going, Weld School is the best place for you. We'll be there for you.
Even then, it's not stressful. People still are working with you and they're patient with you, which is something I look for in a job. I don't want to feel pressured to, be amazing right away. I need that time to become good at it, I guess,
It's been a great career for me, helped provide for my family real well, helped me put my kids through college. It's been a great career. I love to weld, I love to instruct, I love to teach. I finally got a job that I really love to do.